in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283cdw printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to go ahead and just search for HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP and then M283cdw support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283cdw. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down again, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and go ahead and download that. And now we can go ahead and open up that file and to begin extracting the contents. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just follow through the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer configured to your device preferences. If you want to have a wired or wireless connection, for example, any optional software or features you want to enable, you can do that as well through the wizard. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.